What's up, everybody? Here we are in Boise, Idaho at Western Power Sports. We're about to go for a ride, a day number 1 ride on Yamaha's Ténéré 700 World Raid. Look at this thing, look at all the bikes. We're gonna ride this Raven Black Beauty right now. We've got our Leatt gear on, our ADV Flow Tour 5.5 jacket, our Leatt gloves, X-Flow 5.5, and the rest of our stuff, and we're gonna hit the road. Who's ready to ride? All right, everybody, so far so good on this Ténéré World Rally ride. And look at the river. This is a river that runs through Idaho. Look at it, look at the wild rapids. Look how crazy that would be to be kayaking or swimming through those rapids, but it mellows out over there. Pretty sick. And here's our World Rally. Thanks, Rob. Here's our World Rally bike we're riding today. Look at this thing. Look at all the features it's got. It's pretty sick. All right, right now we're gonna take some photos and videos, then we'll check in with you in a little bit. What's up, everyone? Here we are in Boise, Idaho at the official U.S. press introduction for Yamaha's 2026 Ténéré 700 World Raid. You guys have been waiting for this one for a while, and finally we get the chance to ride it up here in the great state of Idaho. Sorry for some of the haze. You might see some of the haze. I promise I don't have my haze ND filter on my Insta360 X5 camera. That's just some wildfires in the vicinity. You got to remember, when the mercury starts climbing out here in the west in the summer times, forest fires are just kind of just how it goes. Hopefully they get put out fast and Mother Nature returns to being awesome and her usual self. Back to the Ténéré 700 World Raid. Yamaha's got a really fun ride planned for us. 3 days, not 1 day of riding, not 2, but 3 days. Day number 1 was stay on the road. We got to log some miles. I wish I could tell you what I think about this bike, but my lips are zipped for a couple days. But you know all about this bike. 689cc CP2 engine. The Yamaha uses in a variety of his other bikes like the MT-07 and YZF R7. And we've got this dual fuel tank setup and some other modifications that have been done to make this thing more worldly, shall we say. So over the next 3 days, we're really going to be able to report the ins and outs on this bike. So stay tuned at the moto-1.com website and the at Adam Waheed YouTube channel. We're also going to relaunch our Moto-1 YouTube channel here soon if I can find some time to do it, but that's the deal. So just a quick little preview of this bike. 3 days of riding. We'll have our reports out soon, so make sure to tune in. For now, we're just going to keep on flogging through this highway. Gotta say, there's quite a bit of traffic, keeping the pace slow, but it's pretty beautiful. Even with this little bit of haze, it looks pretty nice, so I think we're doing okay. All right, folks, we'll tune in with you in a little bit. Well, everyone, we made it. Just a short day 1 on the 2026 Yamaha World Raid Ténéré 700. It was a fun day. I wish we could tell you about the bike. We can't yet, but we will very soon. So stay tuned for day number 2, where we actually get to kick up some dust off-road on this bad Billy Goat and see what it's like to ride. Stay tuned, and we'll see you tomorrow on that episode.